Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Power the printer and verify it's on the same Wi-Fi as your device. Next, find the printer model and its IP address from the control panel. This gives you admin access options. If the printer displays network details, write down the SSID and any displayed passphrase. Make sure you have your router's admin username and password ready, because once you access the router or printer web page, you'll need them to reveal or reset the Wi-Fi password. Once done, open your browser and enter the printer's IP or launch the manufacturer's app to reach network settings. If that fails, log into your router's web UI at the 192.168.x address shown on your device. Enter admin credentials. In the router or printer wireless settings, inspect the SSID and security section. The WPA or WPA2 passphrase field is where the current password is stored. If it's masked, select Show or Edit to reveal it, and make note exactly, because case and symbols matter. To finish, reveal the saved password with the Show option or replace it with a new WPA2 passphrase, then save and reboot the printer so settings apply. If you can't access interfaces, perform a network reset on the printer or use the router's WPS button to reconnect without a password entry. If problems persist, check firmware versions, ensure DHCP is enabled on the router, or temporarily connect the printer via USB to reconfigure wireless settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.